Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Amara. Today we are making Nigerian smoky jollof rice. By the end of this video, you will have a pot of rich, colorful, and delicious jollof rice. Let's start with the ingredients. We need rice, fresh tomatoes, onions, tomato paste, table oil, seasoning cubes, salt, and chicken stock. Wash the rice thoroughly to remove excess starch. Blend the tomatoes, red bell peppers, and scotch bonnet peppers until smooth. Heat vegetable oil in the pot before adding onions. Fry the onions until they release a rich aroma. Add tomato paste, seasoning cubes, salt, and chicken stock. Stir and let simmer. Pour the blended pepper mixture into the pot and let it cook until thick and flavorful. Add the rice into the sauce and stir carefully so it mixes evenly. Cover the pot and allow the rice to cook slowly on low heat. Now the jollof rice is ready, fluffy, colorful, and full of flavor. Thank you for watching African AI Kitchen. Chef Amara is ready to cook another recipe. What African dish should we prepare next? Tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more African recipes.